What exactly is the LuK clutch facing HD30 Plus? HD30 Plus is the newest clutch facing from LuK. It was especially designed for heavy-duty commercial vehicles and is the powerful result of continuous research and development. Conventional clutch facings consist of only one layer of material and therefore can only offer a compromise of the required characteristics. The new LuK HD30 Plus facing, however, consists of two different material layers. The underlayer is optimized for rigidity and thermal stability. The friction layer allows high transmission reliability due to excellent friction coefficients, as well as best comfort characteristics. In addition, the wear rate is significantly less. With this lining, the LuK clutch system achieves 30% more durability than conventional technologies. Due to this increased operating life, you can significantly reduce the downtime of your trucks as well as your operating costs. The high quality of LuK clutches meets the stringent OE standards. The improved clutch discs with the HD30 Plus facings are available in the popular sizes 360, 400 and 430 mm for commercial vehicles of all leading manufacturers around the world. The corresponding LuK rep sets are also fitted with the new clutch facing HD30 Plus. The LuK rep sets facilitate and expedite the professional complete clutch repair with all required components. Choose LuK clutch discs with the new facing HD30 Plus and profit from highest customer satisfaction.